first rule is to serve the story. How do you humanize these cars and humanize this world so it has an emotional context? You basically build it from the ground up. One of the edicts that we got from John Lasseter was authenticity for the cars. He wanted somebody who was a car buff to hear something and know that sounds appropriate for that character. We have recurring characters which we pull out of the library and are augmenting with other sounds. And then we have a whole slew of new characters that we've had to go off and record. We're putting mics on the interior of the car, on the engine, on the exhaust. It's a slow process that takes a lot of time that you have to do correctly. And then once it's done, you just tell the driver, go crazy. Through a connection that we met there was a big demolition derby up in Sonora. So we made a day trip up there, met a number of drivers who gave us access to their cars. With the demolition derby cars, they're not specifically models. Each one is kind of a Frankenstein car put together. We're out here to get some great sounds from these amazing cars. They all have their own specific character and throaty, aggressive quality, so we know we're going to get some good stuff.
It's a little drier out here for you prefer, probably.
Yeah.
We all got very dirty on this trip. This is kind of one for the books in that regard. So we have hours of material. It all has to be organized and easily accessed by the editors. As a sound designer, our job is to take that amazing artwork that comes from Pixar and to breathe life into it and take it to another level. It's incumbent upon us to try and match their amazing work.